Are you looking for the best printers under $150? In this video we will look at some of the best printers under $150 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Canon PIXMA MG3620. The best all-in-one printer under $150 helps you print, scan, and copy your document right from your smartphone and tablet. The built-in Wi-Fi enhances the wireless capabilities of the printer. Just like other PIXMA models, it has Google Print and Mopria for Android devices and AirPrint for iOS. Furthermore, you can also print wirelessly through Canon Print, NFC, and Google Cloud Print. The color quality is exquisite thanks to the scanning resolution of 1200 x 2400 dpi. The automatic duplex function automatically prints on both sides of the paper. It has the same print quality and resolution as PIXMA TR4520 but significantly faster printing speed. The printing speed is also quite fast at 9.9 and 5.7 images for black and white and color respectively. There are separate cartridges for colored and blank ink. You can easily refill them individually as well. Number 2. HP Envy Pro 6455. Similarly, it is a versatile device you can use for printing, photocopying, and scanning. On top of that, you can enroll in HP Instant to get free ink for the first 4 months. However, the plans are very cheap after the trial period, the cheapest being 99 cents per month including recycling and shipping. The excellent HP Smart Mobile allows fast and efficient printing. It enables you to share the printer across all the devices through Wi-Fi. Therefore, everyone in your family can print their documents right from their devices. You can share the documents to Google Drive, Dropbox, and other third-party software. The mobile fax also uses HP Smart app to send faxes on the go. The printer has a USB port for connecting PC and offers borderless printing as well. The printing speed of 7 pages per minute and a monthly duty cycle of 1000 pages is also quite impressive for such a cheap printer. Number 3. Brother HL L2320D. They are precision-built barcode description best laser printer under $150 that use thermal technology to deliver prints of unbelievable quality. They are also very easy to integrate with your computer through a high-speed 2.0 USB interface. Brother HL L2320D is also one of the fastest best computer printers under $150 with a printing speed of 30 pages per minute. It is an exceptional printer for bulk printing in places like supply chains and manufacturing companies and warehouses. Brother also offers a 2-year limited warranty for the printer. Features like automatic duplex printing, 2400 x 600 dpi resolution, and a large tray with 250 sheets capacity further enhance its performance and usefulness. Number 4. Canon PIXMA TR4720. The Canon Selfie or Canon Print app ensures easy and simple setup. The ink cartridges are also very convenient to install and replace. The printer has a compact design to fit your space at home or office. The front paper tray with a capacity of 100 sheets makes it easier to load papers. TR4720 uses a hybrid ink system for sharp black color and text. It prints borderless photos up to 8.5 to 11. The auto duplex printing also helps you reduce 50% of your printing costs. The automatic document feeder scans multi-page documents to legal size quite efficiently. The printer has a large 2-inch LCD to review the information and simple buttons to adjust settings and give print, scan, copy, or fax commands. Number 5. HP OfficeJet Pro 6978. It has all the features you expect in the best printer under $150. For example, it offers automatic duplex printing and scanning, an automatic document feeder, and a 1.5-inch color touchscreen. Similarly, you would never run out of ink thanks to enrolling in HP Instant Ink. The printer has both Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity options and setups easily with your mobile, laptop, or PC. It produces color prints with exceptional speeds of 20 ppm for black and 11 ppm for color. It is also an ideal choice for business use because of its 600x 1200 dpi resolution. However, you can use it at your home and it's a basic printer for home use as well. The printing cost with Pro 6978 is 50% less than a standard laser printer. Another important feature of printer is scan to email. You can also print directly from a USB device. It offers all the features and functions of the hugely popular HP OfficeJet Pro 6960 as well.